10.1, question number 7. Shanti sweet stall was placing in order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. Two sizes of boxes were required, right? The bigger of dimension 25 into 20 into 5 and the smaller of dimension 15 into 12 into 5. For all the overlaps, 5% of the total surface area is required extra. So I'll explain this while we're solving, right? If the cost of the cardboard is ₹4 for 1000 centimeters square, find the cost of the cardboard. That means how much money we're going to spend, right? Required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. So 250 big box, 250 small box, right? So how do you do this? We first have to know the total surface area of each of the two boxes, right? Of the total surface area of one big box and also the total surface area of one small box. Once we're done with it, we just have to multiply by 250 boxes to get the total surface area. Clear? So let's start one after the other. You can already see the diagram is here. Alright, now dimension of the bigger box already given, right? So the formula for total surface area is already written for us. Length is 25, breadth is 20, breadth is 20, height is 5, height is 5, length is 25. Then 25 into 20, I'll get 500. 20 into 5, I'll get 100. Then 5 into 25, I'll get 125. So if I add all this, I'm going to get 725. Multiply by 2, you're going to get 1450 centimeters square. So this is the total surface area of one big box. Clear? We found for 1. How do I find for 250? I just have to multiply, right, into 250. But now, before we go into all that, let's find the total surface area of one small box. So dimensions have been given to us. This is the diagram. I've written the formula. Length is 15, breadth is 12, height is 5, height is 5, length is 15. Then 15 into 12 is 180, 12 5 is 60, then 5 into 15 you'll get 75. So if I add these three, I'm going to get 315, which multiplied by 2, I'm going to get 630 centimeters square. So now this is the total surface area of one small box. So now we know the total surface area of both of them, right? So like I said, if you want to do the long card, you can do it one after the other, right? Total surface area of 250 boxes of the bigger one multiplied by 1450, same thing for the smaller. But what I'm going to do here, in order to save time, I'm going to do it together. Clear? Do them together. So total surface area of 250 boxes of each type, right? So you can see here how many boxes we need. 250 of each, right? So 1450 is for a bigger, and then 630 is for the smaller. Like I said, I'm doing them together, not one after the other. Clear? So if you add these two, you're going to get 2080. Once you multiply, you're going to get the total surface area to be 5,20,000 centimeters square. All right. Now before we go to the next, let's go back to the question again. For all the overlaps, 5% of the total surface area is required extra. Clear? So what does this mean? Suppose let's say that you want to stitch a new suit, right, for maybe an occasion or whatever, and you're going to the shop, and then when you buy the cloth, you will never buy the exact length. Why? Because if you buy the exact length and then the tailor makes a mistake, then you're gone, right? I mean, there's not going to be any suit for you. So what I mean is, we always buy extra length, not exact. Okay, we'll always buy extra length. So that is mean by the overlaps and all. Clear? So what did they say? We need 5% of the total surface area of each of the boxes. All right, 5% of the total surface area. So the total surface area of the bigger box is 1450, of the smaller is 630, right? And how many are we making? 250. Clear? So that is how this has come. So 5 by 100. 5% means 5 by 100, right? Once you're done with that, you add these two, you're going to get 2080, and then 250, you can divide it 0 and 0, 0 and 0. And then when you multiply 5 into 200 into 25, you're going to get the extra area required, almost 26,000. Now we'll add it. Now we will know the actual total area of the cardboard. Right? So you have to add both of them. Okay. So now I know how much do we actually need. We need 5,46,000 centimeters square. Right? Now let's finish it. Remember that we're trying to find a cost, right? So they've given us a what? Cost of cardboard per 1000 centimeters square. How much? ₹4. This is for 1000, right? So let's try to find for 1 centimeter. This 1000 will go down. Clear? But now for how much centimeters square we're trying to find? 5,46,000 centimeters square of cardboard, right? So 4 by 1000 multiplied by the total. All right. Then 1, 2, 3 can divide. 1, 2, 3, and then 4 into 5, 4, 6. So total amount that we are going to be spending is ₹2,184.